Okay, so I'm gonna dig up my single seed potato challenge. I don't expect anything because I put them in late. They were leggy as seedlings, and I've only got 4 bags, I think. One of them doesn't look like it's got anything. And the snails and that have been eating it all summer long. Don't expect anything, but we'll see. Just gonna tip it off. Slug there, look. Oh, we've got one. So one is better than none. And put them in this blue bucket because we're going to have to weigh them. Oh, that's not a bad one. Another one. Quite nice shape. They remind me a bit like my Caledonian Rose ones. Got like white spots on as well. I don't know what these white spots are. Mini one. I don't want that growing on next year. I think that might be it for that pot. Okay, so from one pot, got that many. It's more than I was expecting. So, try and clear some of the soil off. It might be best to do that actually. It looks a bit rubbish. Okay, go on then. Okay, bag number 2. Mom's already taken the leafage out of this one. Single seed potato challenge. But there's less foliage on this one, so maybe means less potatoes. Maybe. Don't even know what there's any.
Grace is climbing the tree.
This one might be. Oh no, we've got one. It's a nice size one. Not bad that. Got some big worm edges, look. That one's running away. Big worm. Go in the bag. Oh, that's a big one. Mum said she wanted potatoes for dinner. Oh, she's got some. There's just 2 potatoes in that one. But there was less foliage in that one, so we'll go on to the next one.
What's your baby?
Go on then.
What's up?
Okay, bag number 3.
What's up, babe?
Single seed potato challenge again. So we only got 2 potatoes out of bag number 2, which was expected. Like I said, it's little to no foliage. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I see potatoes. Where did I see them? Here. Potatoes. Oh my goodness, that's big. I wonder what variety they are. We don't know what they are till Steve does the final video. I'll tag his page. Oh, there's loads in this one. Hopefully make some nice roast potatoes later after I've weighed them. Got like a bag of spuds worth out of that, I think. I think that's it for that bag. We'll go on to the next bag. Okay, ready? Okay, last bag. Bag number 4. I'm surprised we even got any potatoes, to be honest. Like I said, I didn't think we were going to get anything. Oh. Surprise first. Well, heavy as well. It's been raining on it. Come on. big ones, aren't they? I'm not sure they are Caledonia rays. Caledonia rays don't usually have them white spots. That's just an old potato from whatever I grew last year. Lots of big worms in it, isn't there? Which is good. There's just 2 potatoes in this, but the one big one. No, there's another one. Some people have got some huge harvests from this already. Some really massive fat worms though. Just 2 big potatoes in that one then. Oh. We actually got some, not many, but we'll give it away and get this video on, and we'll send the weigh video to Steve, and the final results will be on when he puts that video out in November. Okay, bye.